In this video, we aim to communicate the critical role that technology plays in mitigating biodiversity loss and promoting conservation. We will explore how new technologies are revolutionizing the way we monitor and protect our environment. From satellite imaging to AI-powered analysis, we'll see how these innovations are helping ecologists better understand and address ecological challenges. Every year, vast swaths of forests are destroyed and marine ecosystems are dying due to climate change and human activities. But what if technology could offer a solution? Stay with us as we explore how it can help us turn the tide in protecting our planet's biodiversity.
Today, biodiversity loss and habitat destructions are among the most pressing environmental challenges. The loss of species and their habitat threatens the balance of ecosystems that support life on Earth. The devastations of forests, coral reefs, and wetlands endanger not only wildlife but also human populations. Every year, millions of acres of forests are lost and countless species are pushed to the brink of extinction. These losses have severe consequences. Clean air, fresh water, and food sources are all at risk. The challenge is clear. If we don't act now, the planet's ability to support life could be irreparably damaged. Why should the general public care about these issues? Because they directly impact us. A loss of biodiversity means fewer natural resources, which leads to decreased food security, loss of medicine sources, and even changes in climate patterns. Understanding these challenges is essential if we are to secure a sustainable future for all life on Earth.
In this video, we explore how technology aids in climate mitigation through ecological restoration. Our goals are clear: educate the public, inspire action, and highlight how tech-driven solutions can protect ecosystems and combat climate change. Technology helps us monitor ecosystems, restore habitats, and prevent biodiversity loss. It connects the science of ecology with real-world action, making conservation efforts more effective and sustainable. By using data-driven tools, we can ensure healthy environment and engage communities in proactive restoration projects. This leads to a long-term sustainability and helps tackle the urgent issue of biodiversity loss and climate change.
Now that we understand the challenges, let's look at how technology is stepping in to help solve these problems. Advances in technology are revolutionizing how we monitor and protect ecosystems. Let's dive into some of these technologies. Remote sensing through the use of satellites allows scientists to monitor large-scale environmental changes by capturing images from space. We can track deforestation, desertification, and changes in water bodies in real time. Using satellite imagery, ecologists can detect deforestation or habitat degradation from afar, providing a broader perspective and identifying areas that need immediate attention. This technology can monitor ecosystems that are difficult to access and is essential for early intervention.
Drones are transforming conservation efforts. They can be used to survey forests, track wildlife, and even plant trees. Drones are capable of reaching areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans to access, enabling efficient data collection in remote environments. Using drones, researchers can collect high-quality images and videos that help in monitoring wildlife population and their habitats. Drones have made it possible to conduct conservation activities more efficiently, reducing human impact on delicate environments.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are making it easier to process vast amounts of ecological data. From tracking animal behavior to analyzing environmental conditions, AI can help scientists to spot trends, make predictions, and suggest conservation strategies in real time. AI can analyze patterns that are difficult for humans to spot, such as migration routes of endangered species or identifying at-risk ecosystems. This technology enables more precise decision-making in conservation efforts, improving the effectiveness of interventions.
DNA barcoding and environmental DNA, as known as eDNA techniques, are groundbreaking tools in conservation. DNA barcoding helps identify species from small tissue samples, while eDNA allows scientists to detect the presence of species in an environment by collecting water or soil samples. These tools are essential for tracking endangered species and understanding ecosystem health. For example, eDNA can detect the presence of rare species in an area without disturbing the habitat, providing an efficient and non-invasive method of monitoring biodiversity.
Technology is rapidly changing the way we protect the environment by incorporating innovations like AI, drones, and remote sensing. We are not only gaining insights into the health of our ecosystems, but we are also enabling faster and more effective interventions to prevent biodiversity loss.
The future of conservation is digital, and these technologies provide the tools needed to safeguard our planet for generations to come. But it's up to all of us to understand their value and advocate for their application in addressing the urgent environmental challenge we face.
It's time to act. Technology is available. Now, it's up to us to use it responsibly. Let's work together to protect the planet and its biodiversity before it's too late.
Public engagement with science is more than just sharing data. It's about creating meaningful interactions between scientists and the public. These exchanges foster mutual learning and broaden our perspectives on important issues. One way we can engage communities in science is through the power of technology. Geographic Information System, or GIS, plays a vital role in environmental justice. It maps pollution and access to green spaces, helping communities identify environmental risks like air pollution and urban heat islands.
But it doesn't stop there. When paired with public engagement, GIS empowers residents to actively participate in data collection and decision making. By training locals to use these tools, they can advocate for policy changes and work towards improving their access to green spaces. This leads to more informed, equitable decision, better public health outcome, and ultimately a more sustainable environment for everyone.
Technology doesn't only help with mapping. Smartphone apps are also transforming how we conduct ecological research. Apps like Open Data Kit or Collects offer essential tools for fields data collection, allowing researchers to record geolocation, images, and even audio, all without the need for an internet connection. Despite some concern about app reliability in remote areas, these tools can save time, reduce paper waste, and increase efficiency. From citizen science to data analysis, these apps make ecological research more accessible and eco-friendlier, helping researchers improve their outcomes.
From citizen science to community-based data collection, technology is empowering the public to become active participants in ecological research, making conservation efforts more inclusive and effective. The rewilding of Gorongosa National Park in Mozambique highlights the power of technology and public involvement in conservation. Using data to track species and restore the ecosystem, the project engaged local communities, providing jobs and education. This collaboration has helped revive biodiversity while supporting sustainable development.
Technology is key to climate mitigation through ecological restoration. It helps us monitor ecosystems, protect species, and restore habitats to combat climate change and biodiversity loss.
But it's not just about tax. We must communicate and engage people in the effort. The power of technology lies in the ability to bring us together, enabling us to collaborate and create lasting change.
Stay informed, advocate for sustainable policies, and use technology to drive positive change for a healthier planet.